Yeah, note to self, never let Ronan start a barbecue again.
You got it. Turn a little. No, buddy.
Oh my god!
Oh, it singed him. Oh, it smells so bad. Vlog camera at the driving range, baby. Dick and balls out at the driving range. Are you going now, Chris?
Going where?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, vlogging right now.
I can't wait to golf with Chris.
We're heading
Do
to
you think it actually really hurts getting like a teen in the ass?
No. Chris, watch.
Bubba Watson.
Tiger Woods.
That's what I've gotten both of those before.
Bubba Watson.
And Tiger Woods.
No, you're Bubba.
I play like Bubba, fuck like Tiger.
Didn't he cheat on his wife?
Wait, what? Wait, Trevor, Bubba, I'm Bubs.
Oh my god, Bubs.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna tell my parents we're going.
Wah 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 nama.
Trevor and Ronan thought it'd be a good idea to go to the driving range, so we're off there now.
How much do you think it would hurt if we go to T, stuck it in my butt, and Ronan hit it off my butt?
You think that's perfectly?
Yeah.
Won't hurt at all.
Perfect.
I'll hit it perfect.
On the other hand, like, you know, I don't know if you ever were spanked when you were a kid.
Yeah.
Times that by 100 if you get a golf club in your butt cheek.
Trevor.
Right in the meaty part.
Trevor, you can watch me hit, and you see how perfect I hit, and then you can decide whether or not you want it.
I'm actually.
So we got the tokens.
One token at a time. Gotta face it like slots. You're fucking.
Shit. Step one, put the coin in.
Come on.
Smack it. Shits out balls. Jeez.
You just saw me do this.
See, I know to put a coin in.
Trevor's nice with it.
I put the coin in, okay? It actually looks way cooler if you bang it.
Wrong fucking way. Oh my god. Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't get it jammed in there. Yeah. It's bonus points if you can hit it over the net and hit a car. My brother did that.
I don't think I could ever. I think I got the arm strength of Garrett.
Garrett's shit at golf.
Is he?
You're probably better than Garrett at golf. See that? What color is that?
White.
Yeah, it's coming in handy right now.
Overall, pretty fun day at the golf range, you know. Probably had a solid 7 balls that I hit pretty far. Other than that, I'd say Ronan was the champ for today because, I don't know, he's just the champ. Like, PGA Tour, just watch out. Ronan Mitchell's on the way.
Just in a drop, and I got a straight drop, 30 on my Glock.
Can I open this?
Face off, Siamese twins, and dick never taste off. On my diamond water, he can have straight up. Just in a drop, and I got a straight drop.
I'm actually so ready.
Yeah. Did that camera get wet?
I think you get wet. I think you get wet like a little bit.
Okay, we're good. We made it. Are you going?
A few hours later, Trevor and Ronan think it's a good idea to jump in Ronan's pool.
Get my muscles on the camera.
The muscles are on the camera. Big man Mitch. Why do they call you Big Man Mitch?
Because I have a big heart.
We're trying to prepare dinner. Losing my appetite.
It's so cold.
Wait.
Live shake west, bitch, I'm dying shake west. Live shake west, bitch, I'm dying shake west. Bitch, live shake west. West, bitch, I'm playing shit. Bitch, live shit, West, bitch, I'm playing shit. Shit, live shit, West, bitch, I'm playing shit.
Ow, why'd you do that?
Bitch, I'm playing shit.
I thought it'd be funny.
Yo.
And my ass so hard. Okay, don't look. Don't look, you made.
Even if it was like a hot ass summer day, you'd never catch me jumping in that pool. I don't know, it depends how hot it is. Depends how cold it is. I mean, oh, we're on this door.
Trevor will open, hopefully.
No, I think Trevor's like in pain.
Okay.
How are you feeling, Trevor?
What did you do? I missed it.
I did like a side flip and I just wanted to like land funny and I landed right on my fucking thigh. That's infected.
Oh, they landed on your dick.
Yeah, I thought you were your dick or something.
No, I didn't hurt my
It's
dick.
actually not that cold.
It wasn't that bad.
I just hit my ass on a flip so hard. I didn't rotate like the 360 and my ass is killing me.
Like taking this is what Christina sees. It's more like this. It's more like this, right? It's like this. It's like.
Ew. Ew. That was so disgusting. I never want to see that again, bro.
Yo.
Euro step pasa hater like I'm Rondo.
Hey.
Okay, you baby. Stop! Get off, bro. Oh, bro, get off. Get off. Sex isn't about me having pleasure. It's about me showing pleasure to my woman.
Stop!
I want her to feel the pleasure. I would take me feeling no pleasure if she could feel all the pleasure. That's why I love eating.
Where'd this guy come from?
Hey, stop.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. 9:47. We're on our way to Eastdale. Marshall's Marshall's taking too long, so we decided to just go and confront him. What's it called? The musical's supposedly just ended, and we're on our way there.
Marshall. Christopher.
Marshall.
I need someone else to get in it.
Somebody has to go in the other one.
This one. I can't sit like this forever.
It's fine.
Jousting. Okay, hold that.
Okay,
Hold
well,
that. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Are we dueling?
Yes. Beyblade, let it rip. I don't want.
This isn't fair.
My phone
I'm
is
not
better than
strong
garbage.
enough. Okay, I'll help. Wait, what are we doing?
No, Sean is strong.
Live shit, West, bitch, I'm playing shit. Bitch, live shit, West, bitch, I'm playing shit.
So much shame for my family.
Aaron, pull up, bro.
Yo, it's Lil AA on the building. What's up? Okay, so, yo, I just performed musical theater, King Triton. What's up? If only, huh? Okay. Yo, mad respects to my man Crispy. He out here on the vlog. Okay, Matt. Yo, daps me up real quick. Okay. Yo, you.
This guy's feeling good. He's feeling gassed. He's gassed.
Oh, thanks. This man's got my fucking bag.
All right, see ya.
Oh, you watch
Marshall, you're fucking.
No, Marshall!
Marshall, we're supposed to go. Marshall, put the fire alarm. Shut up. Shut up.
That was so funny though. You should walk in and be like, yo Marshall, remember when you set up the fire
I'm
alarm?
making a TikTok right now.
Your birthday be crazy?
I didn't actually film an outro or like an actual ending, so I guess this right here is the ending. Nothing else really happened that night except for Marshall finding salsa and being overly excited about it for some reason.
Salsa.
Chris! I don't want salt.
I don't even know. That's Marshall. That's unimportant. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. That's like the most important thing. Follow me on Instagram at Chris Olera with 2 A's at the end. Hopefully episode 2 is coming out soon. It takes me like 10 years to freaking edit, but I just finished school, so hopefully I'll be able to keep the videos flowing, you know? Keep the videos keep coming, you know? So I guess all that's left to say is peace. I'm Chris Olera and you're watching my dumbass vlog.
Push up in a drop, and I got a straight drop, 30 on my Glock, it'll blow your face off. Siamese twins, so the dick have a taste off. All my diamond water, nigga, we can have